Hey y'all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and I'm getting ready to take off to head up to Natureway Nursery to go check out their open house today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So let me hit the road and we'll get right to it. Okay, so I'm back home now, and I got a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me get you flipped around so you can see it. Alright, so I got everything wrapped up in this little box here, and all my recording was done on my phone today, so to keep the audio the same, I'm just finishing all the recording on my phone. So let's go over these little pots. I'm actually going to take this and set it up to the side, and I'll put the pots on the little table so you can get a little 360 view of them. So this was the first pot I got. It's just a little oval pot, just brown. I thought that it was pretty neat, and that gives me an opportunity for many trees to go into. Then I got this little red pot here that has highlights of green, tan, darker reds in it, a little bit of black. I thought this one was really cool. So this was another one that I picked up here, and this one's just a little rectangular pot. And then this one, I had to get one of these because I thought this was the coolest thing. So this one's really why we have to be down here to do a little 360 around it. This thing just has phenomenal shape and texture. I really like everything about this little guy. So that's what I picked up as far as Natureway Nursery. And then oh, I took a picture instead of flipping my screen around. Okay, so then Jim from Natureway Nursery told me that I should check out Superfly Bonsai. So I ran down to Superfly Bonsai real quick, and I checked out that shop as well. Both the shops are super cool. I didn't really do any videos at Superfly Bonsai. I just did the videos in the greenhouse at Natureway Nursery. That's where I did the video. I was over at Natureway Nursery. So I met a lot of cool people there. The first person I ran into was Lynn, and she came up and introduced herself to me, and we talked a little bit, and I told her, I was like, well, I kind of hang out here because there's nobody out here, so that's kind of my best scenario, away from people, because I don't do good in groups. So we talked for a little bit, and then she took me around and introduced me to people, and I got to meet Seth and Jim, and those two were also super cool. And I met a few other people, but unfortunately I'm awful with memorizing names that fast. So I just want to give a very special thank you to Jim, Seth, and Lynn especially for talking to me and just giving me a chance to watch them work and do what they do. But off subject here again, Jim did tell me to check out Superfly Bonsai, so I ran over there, and I got this bag of bonsai soil. So what this bag is, hold on a second, I have to grab my receipts. Alright, so you got me back because when I was in the process of recording now, when I grabbed my receipt, apparently I hit the stop button. So I went through all of it, and well, I talked to nobody because I didn't even have the camera turned on. So what's in the mix is akadama, lava, red and black, pumice, haydite, pine bark, and whatever else that they had mixed in with their soil. So all that stuff is all mixed in there together between an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch in size, and it looks like a pretty cool mixture. So I look forward to getting some of my little trees repotted in the spring into that soil. So that's going to be awesome. I have some new pots, have some new soil. Looks like it's going to be a good time for me come spring. Again, I wanted to thank Lynn, Jim, and Seth for being so inviting and open to just bring me in when I was over at Natureway Nursery today. So thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you could subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome because that helps me out greatly. And if you want to be notified every time I release a new video, hit the bell notification. Thank you.